Oh my God, that's so soft. It's actually so beautiful. I'm gonna try and make it into a liquid liner. Cheese on crackers, this is good. Hey guys, so for today's video, I thought I would do a little Lush haul and then I'll do a little demo in this video as well. I figured I may as well. The majority of what I've got is little makeup bits from Lush, and I got the new bath bomb as well to have a little sniff of. I think it's called Aurora. So I figured we'll do a little unboxing and then I'm going to test some of the makeup bits out as well because I'm very excited. I can smell the bath bomb already, it smells good. Let's start off with the bath bomb, shall we? Yeah, so this is it's the Lola's Aurora Borealis bath bomb, and this one was £6, and this one is a new one that has come out for, well, Bath Bomb Day, and it was designed by a little girl called Lola. I think it was over Christmas period. They did a little competition and she won it, and it is inspired by the Aurora Borealis. I can never say it. The Aurora Borealis. I believe that's how you say it. Ooh, I think it was meant to smell like fresh air. And that does smell really, really quite fresh. Super lovely. That does just smell like a big inhale of like freshness. Really lovely. Oh, it's got little stars on the top. I didn't notice at first. Can you see little stars? Really nice. Slight mintiness, slight herbiness, slight greenness, but it really all comes together quite well. Love that. I'm going to try that out later tonight, hopefully, or tomorrow. First up, I got a glitter crumble, which I'm very excited about. I did a little poll on Instagram because I wasn't sure which one to get. I didn't know whether to go jazzy, which I did end up doing, or whether to play it safe with, I think it was Eclipse. But in the end, I went for Big Bang, which when I open it, you should be, yeah, well, there you go, you can see it there. It's the most gorgeous pink colour. Oh, wow. I'll test it all out in a sec so we can have a little look what it looks like. So stay tuned if you want to see that on the eye. Then I got to go with it, I felt like it was going to be a vibe, is the liquid eyeliner in the colour Success, I think this is. So we've got a little pink eyeshadow. I was whispering then, did you even hear me? A little pink eyeshadow and silver eyeliner. I think it's going to be really cute. And then I don't know if I probably won't use this one with this eye look. Could I? I mean, I could. It might look a bit too jazzy. I grabbed a Naked mascara and I got this one in the colour Ocean, so it's a blue. I've been really wanting to try a blue mascara from any brand really recently, and I figured whilst I'm getting this, why not go with Lush? And this is great, with 3 different kinds of spoolies, so you can pick which one you want. There's like a... Can you see? I'll rotate. There's like 3 different kinds there. I love that idea. And I do believe, yes, you wet the brush and you swirl it into the middle of the product and then you run it through the lashes. So you open it up and then that's the Naked mascara. Take the little wax paper off and you can see a lovely colour there, and it's got a little hole in the centre that you put the brush in. I don't know what I'm smelling it. It doesn't smell of anything. It smells a bit like a swimming pool actually. But I'm very excited to use that. I'll do the eye look and then I'll see how we go. I do have a plain black mascara here as well. Where is it? So I also got a plain black Lush Lashes mascara, which will probably go with this look. Then I grabbed to see what it was like, I grabbed a Chili lipstick, the Hot Lips one. That is meant to be like a plumping, yeah, a plumping one, I think. And I think it might have a bit of colour to it, so we'll see how that one goes. And then actually off of Vinted, I found absolute steals. So this girl was selling Lush makeup brushes for a bargain. I do believe they were a £5 each. And if you look on the Lush website, I think they're about £25 originally. So they were unused as well, brand new. So still in the packaging. I can get it open. Yeah, so they're still in the little slips. Oh gosh, dropping it. So they've not been used. So I'm really excited. So I got like £15 worth of brushes that are originally meant to be like, what, £75? So this is the first one. Oh, oh my God, they're so soft. Oh, I'm going to use this probably for powder or maybe blush, I don't know. But we have that one first. This one, what is this called? Hang on, I'll find out. Oh, does it say the names on them? Yes, it does. Silly Charlie, I couldn't see it because the writing was sort of like blacked out a bit. This is People Powder Brush. You see it does say there. So yeah, I'll probably use that for powder. Then the next one we have is this one. Oh God, they are so incredibly soft. We have, what's this one? Cheek to Cheek. So actually, yeah, I'll probably use that one for blush. And then the bigger one for powder. That's the size difference. And then last one, I love the look of this brush. Very nice. This one is the Biggest Fan brush. I love those. I'm going to give them a wash before using, obviously, just in case, but we have those. I can't believe, bargain. And then also from this girl, she also had a glitter crumble for sale as well, unused. So I grabbed this one. It's Firefly. This is the only one she had, or else I probably would have grabbed more. Yeah, she's definitely not used this. I always get really paranoid with makeup and stuff on Vinted because, like, you never know, do you? But that, it's even fuller than the one I bought from Lush. So we've got that little green number as well. Very excited for that. I'll just actually swatch that one for you guys because I'm going to use the pink one for the eye look. Ooh, nice. So these are really buildable, or you can use them over like a base colour. So I mean, you could put a yellow on the eye and then put that over the top. You could put like a white or whatever, put it over the top. So we have that one as well. Very excited. Was that it? Yeah, that was it. So let's try some of it out. I'm going to put some of the pink shadow on. We're going to do the liquid liner and try the mascara and the hot lips, I think. Yeah, let's do it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put down a little bit of like concealer as a base for underneath it. Look at my new mirror. Isn't it cute? Okie dokie, let's try it. It's actually so beautiful. I can't get over how stunning that is. I don't really know how to go about applying this. What should we use? We should wet the brush, I would have thought. Let's try it loose, see if it works. There's a lot of fallout, isn't there? I'm going to wet the brush. Just going to use some setting spray. Oh, it's so pretty. See how while it blends out, I suppose. Quite nicely. Little feathered edge. Oh, it's so cute. Let's do the other eye. I'll plonk some on the other eye and then I'll come back and do the liner. I'm going to turn my camera off to preserve my battery. See you in a minute. So I've done the other eye and I've popped a tiny bit of the, what was it called? Firefly on the inner corner. And I'm going to try and make it into a liquid liner with my Made by Mitchell Swirl Solution and put some on the waterline slightly. I'm still going to do the silver on the top, but I'm just going to see if this works. I mean, should I risk doing it in this lid? No, let's do it on the piece of paper. I'm just going to put a little bit on my packing slip and then try and... I've just moved it into the lid, it's easier. Let's see if this works. I mean, it's not looking great, but I mean, let's try it. So. I mean, what's the harm? We're all having fun here, aren't we? Oh my god. I mean, I have got it slightly in my eye. Good job it's not burning. I mean, why not? Let's put the liner on and try the mascara now. So these are liquid liners. You need a little brush to pop them on with. I think I actually want to use the one I just used. Ooh. So pretty. I love this. Oh, this is so fun. I just flicked that off me. It's landed in my bin. Good job my bin is empty. I'm not usually one to be super jazzy with my makeup, but this is just giving whimsical. It's giving I'm a like 10-year-old and I want to be a fairy. And yeah, that's what I need right now. I need to be a 10-year-old and I need to be a fairy. That's it. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll come back. I think I really like them because they're very three-dimensional, so you don't need to be like really precise, and I'm not very precise. Like I've just slapped all that on within like 10 minutes, I'd say. So I'm loving it. I just like all the sparkle. Let's put some of the mascara on, see what the mascara's like. Mascara's really good. It's really good. I'm shooketh. Lush is like, I don't know, I've never really thought of using the makeup and I don't know why. I think part of me just thinks like they're more Bath and Body focused. So I didn't know if the makeup would be any good, but cheese on crackers, this is good. I'm sorry, what? I didn't even curl my lashes. All over this. I can envisage the next Lush haul in my head already. I'm gonna do the other eye on, I'll be back. It's such, all of it is really, really good. Like, I don't know why I'm so shocked, but I am. Let's try the hot lips. I'm sort of dreading this because I feel like it might burn my face off, but let's try the hot lips. So that's what it looks like. I don't know how colourful it is, to be honest, but let's try it. Quite colourful. It's a bit dry, I will say. Pretty. Don't think it goes with this look particularly. Is it supposed to be doing something? I don't feel anything. I can't feel anything with it. I don't think the colour is giving with this look, so I'm going to put the Fenty Beauty Fuchsia Flex over the top of it. I don't feel anything. Okay, that's fine. Top up the blusher. I mean, I'm not like overly stuck on that, but I mean, that's not the end of the world. It looks really quite nice with the Fenty over the top of it, so I'll use that combo going forward. What do you think of the Lush makeup? Have you tried any other bits of it? If so, do give me recommendations of what you think I should try. I've already got a basket mocked up in my head already, and there probably will be another order being placed because I am shooketh by how nice these are. And the fact that I can turn it into liquid liner as well with my slip solution is fantastic. I'll definitely be doing another Lush makeup video because lovely Gemma, GHS on Instagram, she's so sweet. She's such a little angel. She's got some of her own and she's gonna dish me up a couple of little, I think she sent them already actually, dish me up a couple more, my brain is not functioning tonight, what are they called? A couple more colours to try out, so I'll try those out and film that as well. I really like it. Cute. Okay, so yeah, give me recommendations if I should grab anything else, and I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you soon. Bye.